Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making
slime.
So we got a couple things that we want to make, but I think we're just gonna stick to slime. We got this like unicorn gloop kit or whatever from Target, I believe it was. But the thing is, Chloe was really nosy and she kind of like opened the box and like ripped up the box. So I don't know like where the box is, but I also have Nickelodeon slime here, and I've got some Universe sparkling squishy soap. So I think we're just gonna, Chloe, hold on baby. I think we're just gonna stick to the slime, the unicorn gloop one first, and then we'll probably do the Nickelodeon one. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna show you this. So it's called unicorn slimy goop, and it comes with instructions. It has 2 things of clear glue. It has this thing, it's like a pointy thing or whatever that is, a spoon. We've got gold glitter, we have turquoise glitter, and we have silver glitter.
And
let me see, this is also sodium tetraborate. I don't know what that is, but we got that. Then we also have some jewels right here, since it is unicorn, you know. We got some paint. Let me get that. And then we have another packet of the sodium tetrabro. I don't know how to say that. Borate. So we're gonna fill 1 cup with 90 milliliters of warm water and use the mixing stick to mix in 70 milliliters of clear glue. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to take this, because it came with a little cup. I think I forgot to mention that it came with a little cup. So it says to put 90 milliliters of warm water. We're just gonna take some room temperature water and hope that that works the same, because it is pretty warm in here. And it only has up to 30 milliliters, so I'm gonna do this 3 times. Okay, so that is the 90 milliliters of the water. Oh, by the way, I have a bowl right here, just right below me. I know it's kind of tough to see, but we don't have much space to work with right now, so we literally have everything like right here. So that's everything, and I hope I did not just mess up the camera. No, thank goodness, because that was a process to set up. Okay, and then it says to put 70 milliliters of clear glue and then mix them together. I know you are. This thing is already empty, and then me and Chloe are gonna mix it. Let me mix it first, and then you can come and mix it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so then it says to fill 1 cup, fill a 2nd cup with 90 milliliters of the water again, and add in 1 level spoonful of the sodium tetraborate using the spoon provided. Mix thoroughly and set aside. Am I supposed to have like... So I guess I was supposed to have multiple bowls, and I was very how do I say it, very unprepared. So
I'm back.
oh my goodness. Okay, I'll be back. I gotta go get some more bowls.
I like to be Alright guys, so mommy's gonna be back, and she's gonna be right back. She's gonna come with more bowls, and she's in the kitchen doing something, and she don't know what it is. Okay, I will be back. I'm gonna go see what mommy's doing. Okay guys, so I'm back. And I don't know what to do because nothing moved. Move, Mama. Move. I'm gonna be right back. Hi guys, so we are back.
Excuse me. Okay, so I got 4 more bowls because, you know, we needed them apparently, and I don't know how to read directions. So make sure you guys read the directions first and then, you know, start the process, but I did not do that. So let's just get back into this. So it says to fill another bowl with another 90 milliliters of water, and then the 1 level spoonful of the sodium tetraborate. I don't even know how to say that. Okay, where's the water at? This is the one we're using?
Yeah.
Okay. And now our spoon with the sodium tetraborate.
It looks like snow.
So there is our spoonful. Try not to drop it. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I think I need a little bit more.
If you can see, guys, there's little dinosaurs in there, and there's...
We have the 3 bowls right here, each a different color. It says to take each paint color and put it into each bowl. So you're gonna help me with this?
Uh-huh.
We got to the blue, we have the pink, and we have purple right there. So now that we have all 3 of the bowls, it says to take our glue mixture right here and evenly pour it into each one of the paints. Now that's done.
Look at that. Look at that, Mama.
Yeah, that looks cool. Looking fabulous, like my hair. So we have the blue, we have the pink, and we have the purple. Now we're gonna see what the instructions say to do. Okay, so now the instructions say to take the other solution that we mixed earlier and to slowly pour a small amount into each paint cup while stirring until your slimy goop is formed. It says only a small amount is needed, so to be careful when we are adding it. So this is what we are gonna do, my Koko. So we're taking our previous solution, and I'm gonna do this part really quick. Just pouring a little bit. Oh, you see that?
Uh-huh.
You guys see this? It's starting. Okay, put it back in here so we can do the rest of them.
Hey, look at my hands.
They can't see your hands. Go like that.
Look at my hands. Look at my hands.
Okay, now we're gonna put it into the pink one.
Oh, this is so awesome. That's like a pink.
I think I put too much of the solution in this one.
Uh-huh. Well, it's okay. You can still touch it.
We have to really work with this one and see.
Okay.
I think I put too much solution.
Yeah. Okay.
That was an epic
Maybe
fail.
we need to let it dry, Mama. Let it dry. Just let it dry for a moment.
Chloe, what do you mean let it dry? This doesn't dry.
I told you it needs to be dry. It's super sticky. Just go wash your hands and we will be back.
Yeah, we will be back, guys. We're gonna go wash our hands.
Yeah, so
We're gonna go charge the battery for a little bit and we will be right back. Okay, guys? So, in the process, we will let the slime just settle a little bit. Okay, be back. So we were gone for a while because the battery did die on the camera. Let's fix this.
I'm trying to put these little diamonds.
So now we're going to be doing the rest of the process with the slime. So we have our slimes ready. We got the purple, we have the pink, and we have the blue. And now we're just gonna put the fun stuff in it. And oh my gosh, it's gonna make a mess.
Oh my god, this is gonna make a mess, Mama.
So where should I put the blue one? The blue one goes in here? In this one?
No, it goes in this. It's the favorite color.
On the blue one?
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the blue glitter into the pink, the blue slime.
We're so stuck.
This isn't really working out.
So
I'm just getting glitter all over my hands.
I'm just getting this. I really like this.
I don't know if it's just that we waited too long
Mama.
before we started putting the stuff in it.
Mama.
But look at that.
We need to put these little diamonds.
Yeah, I know. Ooh, it's like such a rubbery type of like texture.
Sticky.
This is like so cool.
Mine is not sticky. Mine is not sticky, and I know. Oh, I got glitter in my hand.
Let me see. Oh, by the way, the purple one did eventually. Oh, I just put a bunch of glitter on the floor. The purple one did eventually become into slime. Well, this isn't like. This is barely even like slime. This is exactly what it was like saying, slimy goop. It's literally like goop, like.
And Mommy, we got more slime. Okay, Grandma, whatever. You're not losing diamonds anymore.
Why not?
Because it doesn't.
Where'd you put them, Coco? You just had them.
Oh dear. It's open.
Where'd you put them, Chloe?
It's open.
What's open?
This.
Yeah, because it was part of that. Fun to make. Ooh, look at that.
Mine's gonna fall.
Ooh.
Okay, Mommy.
Fuck.
A lot.
You had a lot of fun?
I had a
Ooh.
Let's say hi. Bye, guys.
Wait, we're not
Bye,
done.
guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like.
And subscribe to our channel.
Yep. And
Yes, give it a thumbs up.
yes, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys in our next. Okay, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Found them last minute, the gems. This thing doesn't want to focus. So now we're just gonna add them really quickly into our slime, which we kind of mixed together.